Every day, millions step into the markets, chasing freedom, chasing something they barely understand. But few truly understand what they're stepping into. And the outcome is already decided. Over 95% of traders never make it. Not because they're not smart, but because no one ever showed them the right way. Most traders jump straight into strategies, indicators, setups, without ever building the foundation first. They use tools without understanding what they really are, or why they even work. And that's where everything starts going wrong. This is not about making money. It's about understanding the game first. Welcome, hunters. This is From Zero to Hero. In this series, we're going from -1 to 100, step by step. No skipping, no guessing. This is not another trading channel. No shortcuts, no hype, no noise. Just clarity, structure, and real understanding. From Zero to Hero is not a strategy. It's a journey. From confusion to clarity. From chaos to structure. From emotion to understanding. You will learn how markets really move, how to think like a trader, and how to build your foundation the right way. This is where it starts. Lesson 1 drops soon. Let's do it together.